Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on two special line graphs worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on two very special types of line graphs that appear on the number plane. Now we've had a lesson on this particular topic, so if you want to see the lesson before you attempt this worksheet, all you have to do is go to the next slide. You click on the available link. There's a clear link there, and it will take you to the lesson, and it will explain all the elements that you need to know. So let's see what's required here for the worksheet. Draw each of the following lines on the same number plane. So here we have 6 lines. So you can draw one large number plane, and you can draw each of those lines on the same number plane. It's very interesting here because you only have one variable. See that? Only one letter. Normally we're used to seeing 2 letters in an equation, but because this is a very special type of equation, we only have one letter. And it's the same here. We only have the letter X, but no Y. That's why when you draw each of those lines on the number plane, you will see that each of them has a very special characteristic. And it's exactly the same as those two there. And for this one, Y equals 0. And for X equals 0, each of those is also very, very special. So if you get confused with this, just go to the lesson where the link is on the next page. Now we have 4 questions here, and this follows on from the introduction I gave in the previous lesson about this. And here is the first question. The line x equals k is parallel to which axis? Notice here we have x equals 5, which is a specific number. When I have x equals k, that means k can be any number at all. So it's general. It can apply to any number. Number 2, how many units is this line situated away from this axis? So once you work out which axis this line is parallel to, then you have to work out how many units away from the axis is that line. Number 3, the line y equals m is parallel to which axis? So it's the same here. Find out which axis it's parallel to. And finally, how many units is this line situated away from this axis? So this simple worksheet has just given us a few examples where we can practice graphing very special lines on the number plane. And if you need help, click on the link on the next slide and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples.